The Rubicon Trail is 22 miles of rocky granite climbs, tight passages, and sharp turns. It's one of the most challenging off-road routes in the world, and the perfect testing ground for trail-rated Jeep vehicles. Maneuvering in and out of tight and tricky spots is made easier with precision steering and an optimized wheelbase. An impressive 16.7-to-1 steering ratio means the driver can turn the front wheels all the way from full left to full right in just over 3 rotations. Assisting those rotations is electronic power steering. The system automatically increases the amount of assist on low-speed turns. The driver can choose from 2 steering modes, including Sport for more feedback. Power folding side view mirrors retract for tight squeezes. And the trailer view camera can be engaged at all times while driving at trail speeds to help with backing up around obstacles or just for seeing how far behind your buddies are falling. The new Grand Cherokee, the most capable SUV in its class.